Hey, it is Precious Rutland. I am your virtual trichologist, also known as a hair and scalp specialist. Today, I want to talk to you about how to tell the difference between hair loss versus hair breakage. And to do that, if you're experiencing hair loss, it's normally going to happen throughout your whole entire head. So you're going to see the same effect, thinning, smaller, finer hairs. You'll see it throughout the whole head. So you'll see it in the front, the back, the sides, and on top. Whereas with hair breakage, it's normally going to result in a specific area, and it normally happens immediately, like after you've done something externally to your hair, whether you curled it, blow dried it from braids or anything like that, colored your hair, bleached it. So you want to look specifically at the area of your hair that's changing, pay particular attention to the color of it as well as the texture. Now, there are areas problem areas that can affect your hair and cause hair breakage without it being external. So internally, if you're severely nutrient deficient, that will definitely cause severe hair breakage. So that's probably about the only other time when that'll result in hair breakage, and it's internally, and that's because you're nutritionally deficient. But otherwise, if you have hair breakage, it's because you've done something externally to cause it. Again, whether that's from curling or coloring it, but somehow you've manipulated it externally. So I hope that helps you know what the difference is between hair loss and hair breakage. To stay connected with me, definitely follow me, and also go to my calendar to get on there to talk to me. I will definitely leave the link for you. Okay, talk with you soon.